Welcome back, friends! Halloween season is officially open on 4Anastasia channel. Today you'll see a clown costume, and if you like it and you like the makeup as well, you'll find in description box below link to a makeup look. So let's start! Yes! Finally, my favorite season is here. I love crazy makeup and costumes and everything about Halloween. Please, friends, help me out on this video and share it with all your friends, family, and strangers, whoever loves the Halloween. I spent so many days doing this makeup and a costume, plus editing. So if you put one like, that means so much to me in all the work I did. And if you didn't subscribe yet, then after you click that subscribe button, don't forget to click on the bell to get notifications with my new videos, please. So where were I right now? Okay. I recommend to use elastic fabric for entire outfit. And when you cut out top, measure your bust and your waist plus extra 1 inch or 2 centimeters, so it's enough for you to sew the fabric together. So here's what happened with the core elements. When I used spray glue on red fabric, it left over black pigment, so I had to use hot glue instead. But when I tried to use hot glue on a white fabric, and end up with black pigment as well. So with white fabric, I had to use spray glue. Conclusion: try first before you make. For pants, of course, you can reuse one of your old leggings, and white fabric is 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters thick. It was pain in the butt to cut all these long pieces of white fabric, but I tried to keep them same thickness as possible. For sleeves, if you want them to be super puffy like mine, measure full length of your arm, all the way till your fingertips. And as for rest of the fabric, it's 40 inches or 1 meter long. Or you can even have more fabric, but it's up to you and your budget. Rubber band, I sewed just in few spots of fabric, then twisted inside out and sew it again. The reason I did it because I didn't want the rubber band to be on top and I wanted to be slightly hiding behind the fabric. I finally was able to reuse those old ribbons from gift boxes. I touched it with thick needle and then I just tied it. And then I decided to add glitter with same colors as those ribbons on the sleeves, of course. I was thinking, how can I add decor on my shoes without destroying them? And then yes! You just make 2 bags, cut a hole for your heel, and tie them with ribbon. Haha! What a simple thing, but worked out so good with entire outfit. Isn't it, guys? Let me know what you think in description box below if you like this idea of baggy shoes. you so much for watching this video. If you like makeup I did for this outfit, a link for that video you will find in description box below. Thank you so much.